Bali. Bali. Bali.
Msanda.
Kunjani Bali?
Yo, finally I meet Msanda today.
Mhlangane noMbali. Manje siyakhuluma ke.
Siyakhuluma manje.
Sikhuluma izinto ze-serious manje. uMbali Zuke.
Yeah, makoti wabavela.
Umakoti wavela.
Msanda.
Wamsanda Foundation.
Yebo.
Making education fashionable. Mbali. Ngikubona ukuthi one day ubusekhaya. And ibekhona endlini. Yes.
Ngabe nginokhilo or ngaringa ibhell ngathi
Wabona, ungaringa ibhell.
Next time yabo.
I'm so happy to see you. It's an honor and a privilege to see you and keep doing great. I like the element of uksiza bogogo nabo mama because that will make you a better person. Because ngachivenda ufihulisa ba baby ngauri ndizvone zvine zvaita uri kuwane madhuva manje amushini, you know. That's where we get all the blessings. That's what I was saying yesterday at Corona, that we must celebrate our elders and our parents while they are still alive.
For sure.
Singalindi ukuthi bahambe wena ufuna wenze show off. Show off yani manje because they are gone. They can't even see. Let's get some pictures and then we take it from there.